Hi everybody, my name is Kirby Kwan Jr. from Crunch TV. Welcome back to Fan Expo 2021 coverage. Joining me today is Daisy, all the way from the Super Mario Brothers. So tell us, how you doing today? How you enjoyed the con so far?
I'm doing great. It's been a really long time since we've done one of these, so we're all very excited to be back. It was worth the journey here, that's for sure.
Yeah, so tell us about your costume. How did you get it together? Was it purchased? Was it made?
So I purchased this. I made my crown and my earrings, but I purchased the dress. It was a little bit scary for me to make personally, but underneath I have a tulle skirt and a hoop skirt that I also bought separately, and yeah, I'm really happy it fits because not a lot of the time that happens. So
right, yeah, we go through that. Those
very
situations
comfy.
all the time. So tell us, what is a piece of practical advice you would like to give to first-time cosplayers and convention goers out there?
I think the biggest lesson I've learned is don't take it too seriously. You don't have to be a perfectionist. Everything is going to look amazing. The flaws that you see, other people don't. I think we always hyperfixate on the imperfections, which is unfortunate because that can cause a lot of problems in your mind. But yeah, just don't take it seriously, have fun, and be safe.
Yeah, absolutely. You are always going to be your own hardest critic, so you never need to worry about that.
Exactly.
So please let the world know where we can find you on social media.
My Instagram is @Sarey the Farey. That's really my only social media, so you can find me there.
Absolutely. Yeah. So thank you guys for joining us once again at Crunch TV. Don't forget, if you can dream it, you can make it, you can become it. Have a good day, guys.
Thank you.